Question 5. Customers at a fast food restaurant can choose a medium or large meal size, and they can choose chicken, a hamburger, or a vegetarian option for their meal. Show all the possible combinations of meals and sizes. So I'm setting up a two-way table. Along the top I have the sizes, medium or large, and along the side I have the meal, chicken, C for chicken, H for hamburger, and V for vegetarian. So in my first box I have CM, which stands for chicken, medium, and then CL, which stands for chicken, large. I could have wrote these the other way around if I wanted, so I could have called this MC, so medium chicken, and I could have called this LC, large chicken. In my next row, I have HM, which represents hamburger, medium, and HL, which represents hamburger, large. And in my last row, I have VM, which stands for vegetarian, medium, and VL, which stands for vegetarian, large. So all together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible outcomes. And if I hadn't been asked to show all the possible combinations or all the possible outcomes, and I had only been asked how many there are, then I could have just multiplied. So my options were medium or large, so that was 2 options for the size. And then my options for the actual type of meal were chicken, hamburger, or vegetarian, that's 3 types. And 2 times 3 gives us 6 combinations in total. Question 6. In a certain deck of cards, there are 2 types of cards, numbered or pictured. Each card can also be a heart, a club, a spade, or a diamond. Use a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes when a single card is picked at random. Aces can be considered numbered cards for this question. So I have my first branch, well, 2 branches. I open up 2 branches and it looks like an L shape. So N stands for numbered and P stands for pictured. So if I'm choosing a card, they're either going to be numbered or pictured. There's no other type of card, numbered or pictured. So let's say I choose a numbered card. Then, of those numbered cards, my options are hearts, clubs, spades, or diamonds. So I have 4 branches now coming out of the N. Because if my card is numbered, it can be a diamond, or the numbered card can be a heart, or the numbered card can be a spade, or the numbered card can be a club. So I have 4 more branches coming out of the N. In the same way, if I had chosen a pictured card, any of those cards can also be heart, club, spade, or diamond. So I have 4 branches coming out of the P, because my picture card can be diamond also, or my pictured card can be hearts, or my pictured card can be spades, or my pictured card can be clubs. So here I'm going to list my outcomes. So I just follow the branches. N, D is my first outcome, ND. So this means a numbered diamond. Then I follow my branch again, NH, NH, a numbered heart. Follow the branch again, NS, NS, a numbered spade. Follow the branches, NC, NC, a numbered club. Now I'm going to do the same down here with the P, so I'm going to have PD, so a picture diamond. Following again, PH, so a pictured heart. Following again, PS, so a pictured spade. And lastly, PC, so a pictured club. So here's a list of all my possible outcomes. So ND, numbered diamond, NH, numbered heart, NS, numbered spade, NC, numbered club. PD, pictured diamond, PH, pictured heart, PS, pictured spade, PC, pictured club. So this question asked me to use a tree diagram, which I did with the branches, to show all the possible outcomes. But if I had just been asked how many possible outcomes there are, I could have said, okay, I have numbered or pictured, first of all, so that's 2. So there are 2 types of cards, they're either numbered or pictured. And of those cards, I have 4 other types: hearts, clubs, spades, or diamonds. So if I had been asked how many possible outcomes there are, I could have said 2 multiplied by 4 gives me 8 possible outcomes. And here are the 8 possible outcomes listed underneath.